Hey guys, today let's learn how to use Leonardo AI to make a coloring book. So if you guys want to go ahead and create your own coloring book that is not yet colored in yet, in this video tutorial, I'm going to teach you guys how to utilize Leonardo AI in order for you guys to create your own coloring book. Alright guys, so what we need to do first is to go ahead and launch the Safari browsers, and let's go ahead and search for Leonardo.ai. Go on over and launch their website and tap on this three lines in the top right corner and tap on Launch App. Now from here, let's go ahead and wait for this to load. What I want you to do next is to tap on this option on the three lines again on the top right corner, and then let's tap on AI image generation. Now what you guys are going to have is the option to create your own images and, well, coloring books option using Leonardo AI. All we need to do is to enter the prompt over here on the top section. Go ahead and delete what is currently written on here, and what we need to do to enter and to create a coloring book is to basically type in what specific character that we want to go ahead and add to our coloring book. So in the case that you want to go ahead and create a full book, all we need to do first is to create those individual pages that we need to put into the book. So basically you should have a list of different characters, shapes, animals, people, buildings, or vehicles or items that you would like to add into your specific coloring book. And once this is done, go ahead and type in that individual items or objects over on to the prompt. So let's say that your first item in the list is to have a lion. So let's type in line art of a lion for coloring book. And let's of course put in the first part of the sentence to specify that it is a blank line art. Tap on done, and then let's tap on generate, and let's see if that will give us our desired results. So wait for this to basically load and wait for it to finish its processing, and we should have our results right here. So as you see, we do have a bunch of different results on here, which is basically a blank line art of a lion for us to use for our own coloring book. If this looks too advanced to you, you can actually edit the prompt to make it simpler. So let's actually type in simple. So let's type in blank line art of a lion for a coloring book. So let's type in blank line art of a simple lion for coloring book. So tap on generate, and let's see what specific results will that give us. So as you see, it made the image a little bit more simpler, and you can now actually use this for your first few pages of your coloring book. Just use your desired images, download it on your device, and put it on the specific PDF form or whatever software you were using to create your own coloring book. Or you could actually just print this and then, well, put the pages together in one specific clear book or a specific book that you're trying to make. That's basically it for this video, guys. Thank you guys for watching. Please like this video and subscribe as well if you guys learned something, and take care.